Hello, welcome to this brief example and tutorial on setting up your patrol blinds for the LVMPD. Here is the LVMPD channel set up just here, and you'll see that we have things called patrol slots and we have attack channels as well. What we're going to do during this is give you a means to communicate between all of the patrol slots and also a way to move to and from the attack channels as well. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a new bind and call it LVMPD Patrol. Okay. Now then, we're going to move on and add on our first bind, which is going to be our patrol slot communication bind. Patrol slots in theory don't mean anything, they're just a place for you to work as an officer. So the first thing we do is click add, and you want to select PTT Advanced, and I find the convenient key for this is print screen, simply because when I use my normal bind, mine is scroll lock, so it's in a convenient position to communicate with my patrol slot and all patrol slots. So that will be the hotkey that I'm using, but any will work just fine. Then you need to select channel and all sub channels and scroll across as far as it'll possibly go. Scroll all the way down. Maybe you need to come back a little bit, sorry, not as far as it'll possibly go. And you need to select the metro section, but only the metro section, no other section. Otherwise this won't work for you. Okay, so you click metro, you add that, and you click OK. There you've got your method to communicate between this this channel here, this channel, this, and this channel. So all of those will work just with that bind. Now you need to add another hotkey, and I suggest using F1 for this, and you use the switch channel bind. Click OK, and then you scroll down again. Once you hit San Andreas multiplayer government factions, scroll across, and this will be attack 1 bind. Okay, you click OK, done. Add again, same process, F2, scroll all the way down, and you'll find attack 2, and the same again for F3, switch channel, scroll all the way down, and up a little bit, attack 3. Okay, now the one which is a little bit more tricky. Every single time you come on patrol, you'll have to pick a patrol slot which doesn't have anyone in it, and this will be your F4 bind. Once you set this up, you can edit, show you how to do that after. But for now, I'm going to set mine to move me to Metro, because that's the supervisor. I'm a sergeant, obviously, so I supervise. Now, when you begin a patrol, you'll pick whether you go in patrol slot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. It doesn't matter which one you go in, it makes no odds. But before you go onto patrol, open up your setup binds, and I'll show you how to do that if you don't know already. Just go like that, select LVMPD Patrol. Then you need to get your F4 key and edit, not edit the hotkey, edit the details, and you will see just here we have, it only says patrol. Now obviously this is number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It goes in logical order. So whichever one you pick to patrol in for that session, you need to set your F4 key to that one. So if we select number 2, then to go back to patrol slot number 2, we just press our bind, and that'll move us to number 2. Just the same as we can edit details and set it to number 5 here, and that will take us number 5. So just to demonstrate the TAC 1, TAC 2 and TAC 3, there's F1, F2, F3, and back to patrol slot 5 like we had before. That's briefly, just in a nutshell, how we use the TAC control channel binds. They're very, very easy to use. That is just about all I've got to say. If you'd like to ask any questions about how these binds work or how to use them, if you have any trouble setting them up, watch this video again, and if you still don't, then you can get in touch with me, and I'll help you out as best I can. Thank you very much. I hope it's been a help to you. Enjoy.